My name is Avong Vang. With Personify Health. I've been there for about 16 years now. I'm Director of Eligibility Administration. I've also run the call center. I've implemented phone projects and helped build the global team for Personify Health.
Can you tell us a little more about Personify? What is Personify? Just about the organization.
Well, Personify is the culmination of a merger between Virgin Pulse and HealthComp. So what HealthComp is bringing to this to Personify is our HPA, or the TPA portion of the business. And what Virgin Pulse brought in was a well-being side. So what we're trying to do is combine both of them to create this new product for our clients and our members.
So with that being said, can you talk about how does Smart Data play a role in Personify, and how did that story even start from your knowledge?
I think with Smart Data, I think it was our prior leader initiated these talks with us, I think back in December of last year. I think it was with you and me, Peter, where we actually initiated the talk about what can Smart Data do for HealthComp then, but not Personify now. How do we build the team together? How do we build a partnership? It started out with we're just looking at eligibility, looking at the mailroom processes and how can we do that. But I think it's grown now to not just the mailroom process. We're looking at claims, we're looking at clearinghouses. We're going to be looking at eligibility as well. So trying to partner with SDS and bringing that experience to us as well.
What kind of value does Personify see that SDS can bring to an organization like Personify?
I think the experience that you guys have with your automation, your AI products, especially in regards to eligibility. I know I've talked to you, Peter, a lot about eligibility, and we've mentioned clean data in, clean data out. That's where I think we need the most help. And that's what we're looking for for SDS, is to bring that experience to us on how to get clean data in, how to get clean data out.
Okay, awesome. What kind of value from what you've seen in the short time that we've been working together that has been able to provide Personify on the value side of what SDS is currently doing?
I think with regards to SDS, it's what SDS says they do, and working with multiple different vendors. Love the fact that SDS comes prepared, letting you know what they need, what they can do. And also, if we need to change it, they've been super accountable to help us pivot. Say we'll go one direction, they'll move it to the direction. But again, just the experience, the team, the knowledge that SDS brings to us as we're implementing new products with them, that's phenomenal.
From your side of it, with the clearinghouse being stood up, or whatever, have you seen a better streamline effect of it, or what have you seen from? I know you're not directly involved.
I have, to an extent, in speaking with the team that has been involved with the clearinghouse. They've seen definitely move in the right direction. You'd probably want to check with Kasha on that one, but I think it's definitely a positive move in the clearinghouse portion.
Avong, if you were to speak to another TPA, health plan, Blue Cross Blue Shield client, large regional client, whatever it may be in the healthcare industry that's a payer, what would you tell them about Smart Data that they may not already know that has made an impact maybe on you?
I think the most impact is, again, your knowledge and your ability to work with us and pivot and change plans if needed. I think your team that comes on, they tell us exactly what needs to get done. They tell us what needs to get done, what we need to do, what we need to bring to the table. I think that's important, that the knowledge that you guys bring. And again, you don't say you're going to do something unless you can do it. So it's never where we think we can do it. It's if we're going to tell you can do it, we can do it. And working with the implementation team, it's been phenomenal working with them.
Last question, favorite session so far today in the symposium?
I think the breakout session with, I think the CEO of, is it Baki? Phenomenal. Just talking to him about that, hearing his experience from the TPA side as well. That was great. Looking to meet with him again later tonight and talk to him about more of that, especially with the experience he has with SDS and the enrollment and eligibility. That's one thing I look forward to.